Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good and revised your earlier content that we have done in previous classes. So, this is our last lecture of this chapter, and we are going to cover few case study in this topic. So, first of all, we will take the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. It is all about the LPG gases. And secondly, we are talking about the Chipko Andolan, which is a kind of protest against the cutting down of trees. When it is started, this Chipko movement is started, or the first Chipko protest that was occurred near the village of Maland in the upper Alaknanda Valley in April 1973. What is it all about? Let us take in detail. A case study I like to just read out for you first, and then we will discuss. The Chipko movement originated from an accident that occurred in the remote village called Rani in Garhwal. It is up high in the Himalayas. A lodging contractor allowed to cut down the trees in a forest close to the village. But what will happen? The village did not want to happen it so. So they protest against the cutting down of trees. One day, the contractor men came in the forest, and when the local men were out of the work, the women of the village, under the leadership of Guru Devi, reached the spot. And after that, what will happen? They quickly collapsed the tree trunks. This activity prevented the workers from cutting down the trees, and the forest was saved finally. So the incident gave the birth of the Chipko Andolan, that is, giving the hug to the trees. And the movement quickly spread across the country under the leadership of Sundar Lal Bhagona and Chandni Prasad Bhatt. And the destruction of the trees is become reduced quite very fastly. But they also reduces the quality of the soil also, and the source of water also. So leader of the Chipko movement emphasizes that the important gift of the tree is not the timber only, or I can say not only the wood, but it is depends on 5 things, that is food, folder, fuel, fiber, and fertilizers. So this is all about the case study, that is a Chipko movement. What has happened in this? That a contractor is allowed to cut down the trees, but a woman over there, her name is Guru Devi, she didn't allow them to cut down the trees. So this protest will become an Andolan, and no more trees are cut down from the villages anymore. So this is all about that. And one more thing that we have discussed is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. In this Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana, it was launched by Narendra Modi ji on 1st April 2016 to contribute the 50 million LPG connections to the women which are below the poverty line. So to the villagers, the peoples who don't afford this, they can't afford the LPG gases, they used to supply the LPG gases, that no more fuel will be burned. In that manner, that wood will be saved. They will not burn the wood in the case of fuels. So both the cases it is helpful also, and the women which are surviving in such a smoke and dust, they will get relief of it also. So both the things are concerned over here. What the Yojana says, that let's discuss it. I'll read for you. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana aims to provide a clean cooking fuel, LPG, to safeguard the health of all, especially women's, right? Because the smoke that is coming out, that contain carbon monoxide like gases, and which they harm their eyes also. So under this scheme, 5 crore LPG connections will be provided. under the below poverty line families, that means the families which can't afford these LPG cylinders, are provided with it. So number of households in India rely on these firewoods, coal and cow dung as a fuel as cooking. So smoke from this burning of the fuels cause pollution and adversely affect the health of the people, including the respiratory disease also. So eyesight become weak, respiratory problems are there, asthmatic problems are there. So to get relief of that, Pradhan Mantri ji has taken a very nice step by providing the LPG connections, and under that deforestation also been provided, also reduced, right? So because no more fuels are cutted down, no more wood is cutted down, so all around it is very helpful. That is connections that is being issued in the name of women of the household. This is also a major thing. So is Ujjwal Yojana still available or not? Let's see the percentage, how it is reducing and all. The allocation of the scheme. Let me discuss with you this first. The allocation of the scheme has been cut down by 58% from rupees 2,724 crores during 2019-20 to 1,118 crores during 2020-21 sun. And the Petroleum Ministry informed the community that the government has met the target on September 7 and 96.9% coverage has been achieved nationwide except in Jammu and Kashmir. So this is all about the survey we have done. So please read the content and try to understand the thing why even the government is also taking steps for the deforestation, and we should also being a part of it, save the forest. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.